For every site created on your DecoNetwork account, there is a production strategy. Now, the default is going to be to produce on demand. As orders come in, we're going to produce them as quickly as possible. We're going to raise the purchase orders, receive them, and get them knocked out. But what if we want to gather orders over a time period and maybe even shut the store down so we can do batch production? Well, if we come into the admin, then come into our website that we want to put in batch production, within the administration, we have production options, and that allows us to control the batch production method. So if this is turned off by default, we're in on-demand production. But if we want to hold orders or manipulate, hey, this is how we're going to do production, we can either hold them up until a specified date, flow them straight into production, which is pretty much on demand, or we can hold them up until they're manually pushed. This is going to be your most common method. When you do this and you come back into Business Hub, here in Batch Stores, you will see all of the batch stores. And as orders come in, they accumulate. So you can see here, hey, we have 3 orders within this store that need to be processed. So we'll click View, and we are going to raise a purchase order to get our hands on all the blanks that we need for this store. So batch production is going to typically, hey, we put the store in batch production. Now we're waiting to order the products until we're ready. We'll come into the store. We'll raise a purchase order for all of the blank products that we need to buy to process this set of orders. We'll send it to the supplier for them to fulfill. And then we'll come back into Batch Stores. And within Batch Stores, we'll download our batch production worksheet. So this is going to be a summary of all the orders that are in the batch. And then we're going to also download the individual production worksheets. So the individual production worksheets are going to be for the individual orders. It's really that simple. Raise the purchase order for the batch, download the batch production worksheet, which is going to directly correspond with that PO, and then download the individual production worksheets. That way, when the blanks arrive, you use the batch production worksheet to do all of the fulfillment, and then you use the individual worksheets as a packing pull slip to pull from the decorated inventory.